Your aunt moves to Pakistan in 1950. You lose your ancestral home in 2024. That's not hypothetical. That's the Enemy Property Act. And that's exactly what happened to Saif Ali Khan's family. Nobody in Saif's immediate family did anything wrong. But the decision that started the chain reaction was made in 1950 by a woman named Abida Sultan. She was Nawab Hamidullah Khan's eldest daughter, declared heiress apparent to the Bhopal throne at 15 years of age in November 1928. She managed her father's state cabinet from 1935 to 1949. She also attended roundtable conferences in London and was one of the first women pilots getting her flying license in 1942. She was formidable. But after partition, something changed her mind. She watched communal violence tear through everything she knew of. She felt disillusioned. So in 1950, she made a personal decision. She left for Pakistan with her young son, joined the foreign service, eventually became an ambassador to Brazil, wrote her memoirs of a rebel princess, died in Karachi on 11th May 2002, and the Indian government responded to her departure the same year she left by eventually giving everything to her younger sister. You want to know who Abida Sultan was because it's important for what's happening in Saif's life today. Abida left, Sajida stays, the estate is hers. Well, most people assume that Enemy Property Act targets people hostile to India, spies, people who work against the country. Under the Enemy Property Act 1968, an enemy is defined as a country and its citizens that committed external aggression against India. If your relative took that passport to an enemy country, the government can classify connected property as enemy property and seize it. But here's a contradiction no one talks about. In 1962, the same government used Abida's departure to justify giving estate to Sajida. And in 2014, the same government used Abida's departure to issue an enemy property notice against the same estate. Her departure was used twice in opposite directions by the same government. Sajida Sultan, who stayed her whole life, who held the title, who raised Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi, died on 5th September 1995. But the government wasn't the only one coming after this estate. There were other heirs too. People who said, even before the enemy property question, that Sajida was never the rightful sole heir to begin with. That's episode 3. Follow along if you want to know more.